डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस केमिस्ट्री लैब ट्यूटोरियल 2 में मैं आप सबके सामने एक ऑर्गेनिक प्रिपरेशन ऑर्गेनिक सिंथेसिस का डिस्कशन करना चाहता हूँ। एम ऑफ द प्रैक्टिकल टू प्रिपेयर मेटानाइट्रोएनिलीन फ्रॉम नाइट्रोबेंजीन। ये ऑर्गेनिक सिंथेसिस फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज़ या केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज़ के तौर पे डिस्कशन करना चाहता हूँ। And we all are familiar with two department of pharmaceutical industries or chemical industries, production department and QC department. फ्रेंड्स, सोच लो आप ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट हो और कोई इंडस्ट्रीज़ में आपको मेटा नाइट्रोएनिलीन सिंथेसाइज करना है। तो सबसे पहले आपको ये सोचना होगा कि मेटा नाइट्रोएनिलीन किस में से सिंथेसाइज हो रहा है। Here, metanitroaniline synthesized from nitrobenzene। तो हमारा रॉ मटेरियल, स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल कौन सा हुआ? नाइट्रोबेंजीन। सबसे पहले मेटानाइट्रोएनिलीन सिंथेसाइज करने के लिए आपको नाइट्रोबेंजीन उसकी प्रॉपर्टी अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन फार्माकोपिया उसमें दिए हुए मोनोग्राफ के मुताबिक चेक करनी होगी। एज ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट आपको चेक करना होगा कि मेटानाइट्रोएनिलीन बनाने के लिए जो नाइट्रोबेंजीन एज ए रॉ मटेरियल मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ उसकी प्रॉपर्टी सही है या नहीं है। सो इट्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट शुड बी 210 डिग्री सेल्सियस होना चाहिए उसके मोनोग्राफ के मुताबिक। रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स शुड बी 1.561 एंड डेंसिटी शुड बी 10 LB पर गैलन होना चाहिए। वेपर प्रेशर 0.3 प्लस और माइनस 0.4 मिलीमीटर Hg होना चाहिए। इफ़ यू फाइंड आउट परसेंटेज प्योरिटी ऑफ नाइट्रोबेंजीन विद द यूज ऑफ इंडियन फार्माकोपिया मोनोग्राफ एज फॉर एग्जांपल 99.5% होना चाहिए। एज ए ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि मैं जो रॉ मटेरियल यूज़ करने जा रहा हूँ उसका एक्चुअली यूज़ क्या है। सो फ्रेंड्स, nitrobenzene can be useful in the dyes industries, basic pharma industries, polymer industries, and mainly nitrobenzene is useful in the manufacture of aniline. So first I want to discuss reaction scheme. This chemical reaction completed in a two-step. First step, we want to prepare metadinitrobenzene as an intermediate from nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene reacts with fuming HNO3 and concentrate H2SO4 as a nitrating mixture, and this chemical reaction is known as a nitration chemical reaction. In this nitration chemical reaction, fuming HNO3 acts as a reactant and concentrate sulfuric acid acts as a catalyst. And during nitration substitution chemical reaction, new NO2 group always attached on meta position of nitrobenzene, and we will get metadinitrobenzene yellow solid crystal as intermediate. Now as organic chemist आपको ये भी चेक करना होगा कि जो इंटरमीडिएट यहाँ पे बना हुआ है उसकी प्रॉपर्टी अकॉर्डिंग टू फार्माकोपिया के मोनोग्राफ के मुताबिक है या नहीं है। सो आपको चेक करना होगा उसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट 90 डिग्री सेल्सियस होना चाहिए, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 297 डिग्री सेल्सियस होना चाहिए, उसकी डेंसिटी शुड बी 1.575 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब होनी चाहिए, उसकी स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी 1.368 होनी चाहिए, एंड वाटर सॉल्युबिलिटी 500 मिलीग्राम पर लीटर, एंड रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स विद यूज ऑफ रिफ्रैक्टोमीटर 1.4660 होना चाहिए। और आपको ये भी मालूम होना चाहिए कि व्हाट्स द एक्चुअल यूज ऑफ metadinitrobenzene and metadinitrobenzene which is useful in the manufacture of explosive. How can I believe metadinitrobenzene already synthesized from nitrobenzene? So with the use of this type of test as well as with the use of conformative test. You know about the conformative test of metadinitrobenzene? Take compound, add in it acetone shake well, add in it NaOH. Suppose we observe violet color, then confirm metadinitrobenzene already synthesized. Now second step chemical reaction, that is the intermediate metadinitrobenzene undergoes partial reduction reaction in the presence of sodium polysulfide. Then NO2 group, only one NO2 group reduced in a NH2 group, and we will get metanitroaniline yellow solid crystal as a target material, as a final product, as a finished product. Same question arises in our mind. How can I believe metanitroaniline already synthesized? So friends, compare both structure. Here NO2 group, here NH2 group. If NO2 group reduce in a NH2 group, that means primary aromatic amine group, so it show a azodite test. Suppose compound gives azodite test, red orange color dye, then confirm metanitroaniline already synthesized. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एज ए ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि मेटानाइट्रोएनिलीन उसकी जो फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ है अकॉर्डिंग टू मोनोग्राफ ऑफ इंडियन फार्माकोपिया, वो सेट हो रही है या नहीं हो रही है। इसके लिए क्वालिटी कंट्रोल डिपार्टमेंट काम करेगा, राइट। Melting point of metanitroaniline should be 114 degree Celsius temperature, as well as boiling point 306 degree Celsius temperature. Suppose you measure density of metanitroaniline, it should be 1.3 plus or minus 0.1 gram per centimeter cube at 25 degree Celsius temperature. Suppose you measure refractive index of metanitroaniline, so 1.634. उसकी solubility, slightly soluble in a benzene, soluble in ethanol, ether and acetone, and very soluble in methanol. Suppose you found percentage purity of metanitroaniline with the use of gas chromatography techniques, it should be 96.0. आपको ये भी मालूम होना चाहिए कि व्हाट्स एक्चुअल यूज ऑफ मेटानाइट्रोएनिलीन, व्हाई आई वांट टू सिंथेसाइज मेटानाइट्रोएनिलीन इन द लेबोरेटरी और इन फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री और इन केमिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. So it is a raw material for the dyes used as an intermediate for azo-coupling compound. So this is the reaction scheme for preparation of metanitroaniline from starting material nitrobenzene. Regarding this reaction scheme, regarding this synthesis, here some viva was question. First one, in nitrobenzene, present NO2 group is known as a meta-directing group. In the presence of meta-directing group, always new group attached on meta position. This is the list of meta-directing group: NO2, COOH, aldehyde, cyanide, CCl3, sulfonic acid. Right? These groups are known as a meta-directing group. Suppose in a structure of benzene, one group is present from this list. At that time, new functional group always attached on meta position. So these are known as a meta-directing group. Same way, orthopara-directing group. This is the list of orthopara-directing group: methyl alkyl, OHCl, Bri, NH2, NHCOCH3, anilide. These all groups are known as orthopara-directing group. Suppose in a structure of benzene, from this group, one group is present. So in the presence of such type of functional group in a structure of benzene, new group always attached on which position? Ortho and para position. Friends, fourth number, what's the actual difference between ortho, meta and para isomer? Ortho isomer, that means 1,2 disubstituted benzene, two functional group attached on one and two position of benzene. Same way, meta-isomer, that means 1,3 disubstituted benzene, two functional group attached on 1 and 3 position of aromatic structure. And para-isomer means 1,4 disubstituted benzene, two functional group attached on 1 and 4th position of benzene. Now I want to discuss about the partial reduction, and for complete reduction, what's the meaning of partial reduction? Only one NO2 group which is reduced in a NH2 group. For partial reduction, sodium polysulfide or iron ammonium chloride in methanol, zinc ammonium chloride in methanol, or zinc acetic acid can be useful. But suppose you want to reduce both NO2 group in a NH2 group, that means complete reduction. So TnHCl, platinum hydrogen, palladium hydrogen, lithium aluminum hydride, hydrogen, etc. can be useful. Now, This is the substitution chemical reaction like a nitration. So what's the actual meaning of substitution chemical reaction? Very simple, friends. One functional group in a compound is replaced by another functional group is known as a substitution chemical reaction. Suppose hydrogen is substituted by NO2. Hydrogen is replaced by NO2, so it is known as a nitration. Suppose hydrogen is substituted by SO3H group, it is known as a sulfonation. Suppose hydrogen is replaced by halogen like a chlorine bromine, so it is known as a halogenation like a chlorination and bromination. Hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group like a methyl group, ethyl group, so it is known as a Fiedel-Crafts alkylation in the presence of aluminum chloride. And hydrogen is replaced by COCH3 group, acyl group, acetyl group in the presence of aluminum chloride, so it is known as a Fiedel-Crafts acylation. So these are just some viva voce questions regarding this synthesis. Now, friends, I am going to discuss about the actual process for synthesis of metanitroaniline from nitrobenzene. राइट अब आप फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्रीज में से आपकी लैब में आ जाओ, आपको सिंथेसिस करना है. दिस सिंथेसिस इज नोन एज अ इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. So first one is preparation of metadinitrobenzene from nitrobenzene, electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. First I want to prepare nitrating mixture. Fuming HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid is known as a nitrating mixture. So how can you prepare nitrating mixture in your laboratory? So take 10 ml concentrated sulfuric acid in a beaker, put it in ice bath, then after add in it very slowly 8 ml fuming HNO3 solution. This mixture is called nitrating mixture. Now start for preparation of metadinitrobenzene from nitrobenzene. So take 6 ml nitrobenzene which is already checked according to monograph of pharmacopoeia. Add in it nitrating mixture in a 3 fraction. Suppose first fraction added in a nitrobenzene, then shake well the flask. Second fraction added in a nitrobenzene, then shake well flask. Third fraction added in a nitrobenzene, then after shake well flask. Add a small piece of porcelain, joint reflux condenser and heat it carefully for 30 minutes. After that, cool and pour in ice cold water. Suppose at that time, we will get yellow solid precipitate of metadinitrobenzene. Then after filter, wash and dry and wait it. So that is the first step. In the first step, we have already prepared metadinitrobenzene with the use of nitration chemical reaction from our starting material. Which starting material? Nitrobenzene. So our raw material is nitrobenzene and fuming HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. With the use of this raw material, we have already synthesized yellow solid metadinitrobenzene. Now second step. In second step, I want to prepare metanitroaniline with the use of metadinitrobenzene. For this preparation, first I want to prepare sodium polysulfide Na2SX for reduction reaction. For this, take 8 gram sodium sulfide solid flakes in a beaker, add in it 30 ml distilled water and then after 2 gram sulfur powder and heat till the reaction or solution become very clear. This solution is called A solution. Now with the use of sodium polysulfide, I want to reduce NO2 group in NH2 group. For this purpose, take 5 gram metadinitrobenzene in a beaker, add in it 40 ml distilled water, boil it so metadinitrobenzene dissolve in water. This solution is called solution B. Now friends, very carefully, boiling solution of B, add in boiling solution of A. For this addition, at least 45 minutes required. After complete addition of solution B in a solution A, heat this reaction mixture for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, cool it. Then after, add in it 8 ml concentrate HCl and 30 ml water. Further heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, cool it. Then after add in it 20% NaOH solution or liquor ammonia solution. So yellow solid precipitate of metanitroaniline obtained in your conical flask or beaker. Filter it, wash it and dry it, and then after weight it. So that is our final material, that is our target molecule, that is our finished product metanitroaniline, which is synthesized from metadinitrobenzene, and metadinitrobenzene which is synthesized from nitrobenzene. Recrystallization of metanitroaniline is possible with the use of from hot water. Now one question, how can I confirm that metanitroaniline already synthesized? So dear friends, first take its MP, 114 degrees Celsius should be. Take TLC, one single spot should be developed, and confirmative test of primary aromatic amine, it show a azodite test. And also with the use of FTIR spectrum, proton NMR spectrum, C13 NMR spectra, and mass spectra, we can conclude that our metanitroaniline already synthesized or not. For this, use reference PubChem, ChemSketch, ChemThrow software. Thank you very much.